Did you know that you can cut out the beginning, middle, or end of a video on YouTube without affecting the views, comments, and URL? You mean I don't have to leave YouTube? Absolutely, and you don't even have to upload the video to trim it, and you can save it as a new video. Stay tuned throughout the video as I show you how to edit a video on YouTube for 2020 using the YouTube video editor. You'll save a ton of time because you don't have to leave YouTube. Hi, my name is Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos.
Log to YouTube channel, click on YouTube Studio, click Videos, select the video that you wish to edit. I'm going to edit a live stream video, so I'm going to click Live. Click on the video, click Editor. Here's the video and here's the timeline that you wish to edit the video on. At the top here I can undo changes, redo changes, discard changes, save the video. If I hover over the three dots, I've got options here. I can save the video as a new video, revert to the original, and I got keyboard shortcuts here. So I got global shortcuts, when focused on the time code, when focused on the timeline, when focused on the player. Here's a couple I use all the time. Nudge playhead to the left, use the left arrow. Nudge playhead to the right, use the right arrow. I can also expand the timeline by moving the slider to the right. Play the video here. I can skip back 10 seconds, skip forward 10 seconds. I can mute the video. Got my settings here, so I can speed up the video or slow it down. On the left here, I've got my video. I've got audio, so I can add audio from the YouTube's audio library and add an end screen. So here I've got add end screen or add a blur to the video. Here's how to trim the beginning or end of your YouTube video. Click Trim. Now see a blue bar that goes around your video. If I want to trim the beginning of the video, I can just play the video. How to use YouTube to jump. So I could trim it from 0 to 0108. So here's 0. Then I just want to move the slider to 0108. I'm going to extend the timeline so it'll be easier to edit. So I'm going to go to 0108. I can preview the videos. So just click Preview. And put the playhead at the start, click play. So I've trimmed just the beginning of that video. Click Edit Trim, and just move the slider to where I want to trim it. Then I can click Preview again. If you want to continue editing, you just click Edit Trim again. If you want to discard the changes, click Discard Changes. If you want to save the existing videos, click Save. If you want to save it as a new video, click Save as New. If you want to revert to the original, click Revert to the Original. Here's how to cut out a middle section. So I'm going to click Edit Trim again. I'm going to take this playhead, move it to where I want to trim it. Click Split. Make sure you're on the timeline, then just move the slider here and it'll remove this part here. So I can undo split if I want to. Now I've got the beginning, middle section, and end sections that are removed. If I'm happy with that, I can click Preview and play the video, discard the changes, save the changes to the existing video, or I can save it as a new video. I can actually remove multiple sections, so if I click Edit Trim again, go over to this section here, click Split again, then move it to where I want to edit it. Then I can click Preview, or I can click Clear All. So here I've removed the beginning section, a couple of middle sections, and an end section. If I click Save as New, it says your video and some features will be copied and saved as a new video. What's saved? Any trims and blurs. What's not saved? End screens, cards, and other features. So I can change the title. I can set the privacy settings to public, unlisted, or private. And I can delete the original video. So I'm going to set it for private as now, then click Save as New. Now I'm going to check my video. Here's a copy of the edited video that I just saved. As you can see, it's still being processed. If I want to go back to the original video, I can just click Options, Revert to the Original. It says all elements and edits will be removed from your video. This change cannot be undone. But in this case, I'm just going to click Discard Changes. Now I'm back to the original video. So if you just want to trim the end, you just click Trim, then move the slider to where you want to trim it at the end. If you want to trim the beginning, just click Trim and move this playhead to where you want to trim it, then move the blue one to where you want to trim it. And if I want to remove a middle section, and just click Trim, move this playhead to where I want to trim it, click Split, move the playhead again to the section I want to split. I can undo the split here, then I can preview it and then save the video. It says save changes, might take a few hours for your changes to apply. During that time, viewers will not see the current version of the video. You won't be able to make other changes to the video. While you wait, you can leave the site and click Save. It says video is being processed, please check back later. And here's a saved copy of the newly edited video that's finished processing.
Here are 4 benefits of using the YouTube video editor. Number 1, remove mistakes from individual videos. Whether you made a mistake at the beginning, middle, or end of your video, you can cut out one section or all 3 sections. Number 2, edit live stream videos. Live stream videos tend to be longer than regular videos because you're sharing more information, greeting the guests, and sometimes you're rambling. So if you want to tighten up the video, you can remove a section of your live stream. Number 3, trim old videos. Perhaps you want to remove a section of your old video because it's out of date and save it as a new video. Use YouTube's video editor to trim your old videos. Number 4, no video editor available. The YouTube video editor is the only editor that allows you to trim existing videos on YouTube. If you want to use a different editor, you first have to download the video, edit it, then re-upload it to your YouTube channel. So the bottom line is, you're going to save a ton of time editing your videos on YouTube. What if you want to add an end screen to an existing video on YouTube? Can you do that? Absolutely. Just watch my next video on how to add an end screen to an already uploaded video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.